Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the apps with your organizational account and completing any multi-factor prompts. Once signed in, make sure your calendar sync is enabled so events flow between Outlook and Teams. Open the desktop versions for smoother file sharing and meeting controls. The web can be used when needed. If you use VPN, confirm it does not block connectivity. This gets your identity, calendar, and presence aligned and ready for the next steps. You now handle the core workflow: email triage, calendar planning, and meeting setup. Start by creating rules and categories in Outlook so messages route automatically. That saves time each day. When scheduling, use the Teams meeting button in Outlook to attach a join link and add an agenda in the invite body. Once invited, double-check attendee availability and set reminders and recurrence. Make sure meeting options, like who can present, are set before the meeting starts to avoid interruptions. Finish by collaborating efficiently. During a meeting, share the right window or upload documents to the channel so everyone accesses a single source. After meetings, post notes and action items with it mentions to assign tasks and attach OneDrive links rather than large attachments. For final checks, confirm your status and notifications so you catch responses. If things go wrong, restart the app, clear cache, and verify device permissions. Then rejoin or use the dial-in option to reconnect quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.